Now that I have the garden beds built, it's time for irrigation and planting. The first thing I need to do is unload the 10 bags of soil I bought from Home Depot. Next, it's time to add some native soil. It's really hard to dig out here, so I think 1 barrel is gonna have to do. I'm nowhere near the top of this thing. I have these 3 bags left, so it looks like I'm gonna have to take another trip to the store. Back from the store, I bought 8 more bags, so that's a total of 18 bags of soil and half a bag of peat moss. Giving everything a good stir before I add the azomite rock dust. I'm going to add a little bit more peat moss to this layer and give everything another stir. Time to arrange the new plants I just bought. Now time for irrigation. First step is to drill a hole on the side of the flower bed so I can weave the irrigation tubing through. Now I'm going to poke holes in the 1/2-inch tubing and add in 1/4-inch tubing so I can add the emitters on the end. Let's throw in the last few plants that I have to plant, and then we can begin testing. And here is my assistant. You can tell she is helping out oh so very much. Okay, garden's all done, so now it's time to test the water. As you know, I'm on a well, so I got this battery operated timer because I don't have any electricity on the property. I'm all solar powered, so when I'm not here, I need to make sure that this is gonna kick off. So 2 AA batteries runs this thing. So I've already set the timer for the morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and test the system by putting it on auto and then hitting manual. So it's gonna run for 10 minutes. Okay, just kicked on. So now the water's going through the hose. Comes out this way. And then the hose connects to the irrigation system, and look, we've got water! Oh, so excited. So I'm gonna adjust the bubblers. Ooh, kind of hot water. I guess that's all it's gonna give me. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust them a little bit, open them up all the way. Let's go see if the water's coming out over here too. Check it out. The pressure's really low. It's working now. Even the last one all the way over here, it's dripping out. Let's see if we can get it to go faster. All right, so I put on the generator so that the water pump will kick on to pull the water out of the well because the water wasn't fully pressurized. So when I leave, I need to make sure the water's fully pressurized before I go. Hey now! Hey! Hey! Look at this! Look at this! Okay. But I've got the irrigation system going, and ready to start planting some stuff. So excited. Ready, sit, sit. Ice cream time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you're subscribed and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.